Hi guys and welcome. So today we don't have a look because this is it. This is my final look. So I will be doing a unboxing. I will be doing an unboxing of one of the products that I really wanted to try. So this is it. Yay! So today I'm so excited because one of the brand that I haven't tried before that I wanted to try here is here in front of me. Not just one item, but one foundation, one bronzer, one highlighter, one mascara, one lip. Oh my god, I have it all. I will be doing some swatches, and my next video I will be using this product. And let's start. I have this whole collection right now because my husband he is so generous. So when I achieve my 1,000 subscribers, he bought a gift for me. One is the Charlotte Tilbury and the GLOSSIER. So we're gonna do an unboxing also with the Charlotte, but next I will be doing that on my next video. And let's start. Here is the GLOSSIER. Glossier. I just don't know how to really pronounce it. Okay, and let's dig in. When I got the package, it's inside in here, but I took it off. So this is the plastic bag here. So my primer is not included on this box. I don't know why, but they give me a free sample primer. So in my next video, if I don't have the primer yet, I will be using this one here. Let me start with the powder. So this is the powder. Wowder weightless finishing powder, and this is made actually in New York. So okay, so this is the box. I will be opening it, and oh, okay, oops, so hard to open. Okay, so I like the color. Actually, it's like pinkish, but almost white pink. And this is the logo. And let's open it. Oh, so it actually has, it's like a cloth. So the packaging for me is kind of good. It's kind of good looking. You know why? Because of this thing. Because of this thing right here. All you have to do is press it actually, and the product will come out on that area. This is like a foamy thing. And the good thing is there's no fragrance in this one, and that's a good thing. Okay, and let me move on to, I'm gonna start with the bigger boxes first. Oh, this is the highlighter, Haloscope Dew Effect Highlighter. Right. Okay, so it seems like I can use this. So this is the highlighter. It says highlighter. It looks like a bronzer. To me, it looks like a bronzer, but it says highlighter. So let me try this here. Oh, okay. So this is a highlighter. Look at that. Look at that. We'll see when I tried it on my face. I also like their packaging because it's a stick, it's easier. So all you have to do is actually like like turn this, and it will come out the product like that. And this. Okay, next is I think this is the foundation. This is the Perfecting Skin Tint. So this is their foundation. And I'm gonna shade G11. So this is how it looks like, their foundation. Let's open it. Okay, so this is the good thing. I really love like pumps. I was thinking differently. I was thinking this is just like a open area here. So this is a good thing. So let me try if this is my actual shade. Let me try one pump. Okay. You know what? I love the texture. And for me, if it slides or it's like water-based, I really like it because I have a dry skin and water-based foundation is really good for a dry skin. So let me try. And there's no fragrance again. That's a good thing. So let's see if it will cover my veins. Okay, so that is really good shade, and I think it matches my skin tone for me. And wow, okay, that's not actually bad. Okay, I think that's a good match. Okay, we're done with the foundation. Let me move on to this is, I think this is the eyeshadow. Lidstar Glistening Eye Glow. I am really like surprised when I saw their packaging on eyeshadow, because look at that. How are you gonna apply this on your eyelid, right? So but the good thing was when I open it, I don't know how are you gonna apply this, but I believe this is the applicator, and all you have to do is like put like that, I think, like a concealer. So this is really exciting because I haven't tried a packaging on eyeshadow like this. So we'll see on my next video. This is like a pinkish tone. So this is like a really light pink with a shimmer on it. So this is probably a no makeup eyeshadow, but I like that. Like the packaging, it's like a tube thing. Okay, this is their eye pencil. Let's try. So this is just a normal eye pencil. Let me just try the shade in here. And it looks like dark brown, almost black, but still you can tell that it's brown. It's very creamy, so I'm really excited to use this. This is the concealer. Let me open it, and here's the product. And try on one of my, like somewhere here because of my veins. That's actually good. Look at that. Okay, next is the lipstick. So this is how it looks like, the lipstick. And this is the shade Cake. This one. Oh, okay. So this is a nude lipstick. Oh my god. I really like the color. Okay, let me try it on my hand first. Here. This is so natural looking. So they said that if you want to choose a lipstick, look at your like lip somewhere here, inside of your lip, like here. So you can select the color that is similar to this one. Okay, now let me move on to the lip gloss. Okay, so there's the lip gloss. Okay, so this is clear. I will try it. Okay, next is, oh, so this is a brow. So that's the color. Okay, now let's move on to brow flick. What is brow flick? Oh, I think this is eyeliner. Hold on. So this is the eyeliner. Let's look at that. That's, it's not too harsh. Okay. One more time. So this is the highlighter, and let me see how it looks like. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, that highlight is crazy. Oh, let me try it here. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is the crazy highlighter. That's good. Okay, next is the mascara. So I love their packaging. And this is how, oh my god, look at that. Look at that, how defined this is. I just want to put it on. Oh my god. So I think this is their contour. So let me try it on my hand. Oh, that is so creamy. Look at the color. Yeah, that's definitely a good color, contour color. This is the shade Dusk. And last but definitely not the least, this is their blush. Look at that. So let me open it, and it's still sealed, this one. And let me put a little bit here, but I think this is creamy as well. And let me do, so that's the blush. And that's it. I am so overwhelmed with this stuff. I am really excited for my next video because I will be using this product right here. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe if you are not a subscriber yet, and hit that notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new videos. And thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.